Best folding phones. Are you looking for the best folding phones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best folding phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Motorola Razr Plus Unlocked is a stylish and feature-rich foldable smartphone designed for modern users, blending innovative technology with a sleek design. It features a clamshell-style foldable AMOLED display, which offers a 6.9-inch main screen with smooth 165 Hz refresh rates for vibrant colors and fluid performance. The external display is a 3.6-inch quick-view screen, allowing users to interact with notifications, apps, and widgets without opening the phone. The 50MP main camera delivers sharp, detailed photos and supports advanced features such as night vision and OIS, optical image stabilization, for excellent low-light performance. The 13MP ultra-wide camera doubles as a macro lens for added versatility, while the 32MP front-facing camera ensures high-quality selfies and video calls. Its camera setup is ideal for both casual photography and creative shooting styles. Powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and equipped with 12GB of RAM, the Razr Plus ensures smooth multitasking and fast app performance. The 256GB of internal storage provides ample space for apps, photos, and files. The device runs on Android, with Motorola's near-stock interface offering minimal bloatware and an intuitive user experience. The Razr Plus includes a 3,800 mAh battery with 30W turbo power charging and wireless charging capabilities, offering all-day battery life and fast recharging. The midnight blue finish enhances its premium, modern aesthetic. This smartphone is unlocked and compatible with most major US carriers, offering flexibility for users. Its foldable form factor, cutting-edge features, and compact portability make it a great choice for those seeking innovation and style in a phone. Overall, the Motorola Razr Plus stands out for its blend of advanced technology, premium design, and practical features, appealing to users who value portability and modern smartphone capabilities. Number 2. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a premium unlocked Android smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a foldable design, offering versatility and innovation. It features a foldable display that seamlessly transitions between a compact mode and a full-screen experience. The main display is vibrant and immersive, making it ideal for multitasking, gaming, and media consumption. Powered by Google's Gemini processor, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers lightning-fast performance, efficient multitasking, and AI-driven enhancements for smoother operation. The device includes 256GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, media, and files. The advanced triple rear camera system includes a main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens, offering excellent versatility for various photography styles. It features enhanced computational photography, ensuring sharp, detailed photos in all lighting conditions. Video recording is optimized for hands-free functionality, making it easier to capture moments while multitasking. The front-facing camera ensures high-quality selfies and video calls. The obsidian finish gives the device a sleek, premium look. Its foldable design not only enhances portability but also introduces new ways to interact with the device, including multitasking on split screens and immersive viewing on the unfolded display. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold integrates tightly with Google's ecosystem, offering seamless access to Google Apps, services, and regular Android updates. Features like hands-free Google Assistant, real-time translation, and robust security measures further enhance the user experience. Overall, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a versatile smartphone that combines a foldable form factor, powerful hardware, and Google's AI-driven software to offer a premium, innovative experience for users who demand cutting-edge technology and advanced camera capabilities. Number 3. The OnePlus Open is a premium, foldable Android smartphone designed for performance, versatility, and innovation. Its Voyager black finish and durable build provide a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic, while its dual SIM capability ensures flexibility for personal and professional use. The device features a 120Hz fluid AMOLED display, offering a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The foldable design provides a large, vibrant main screen when unfolded and a convenient, compact profile when folded, making it perfect for multitasking, gaming, and media consumption. Powered by 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, the OnePlus Open delivers top-tier performance, handling demanding tasks and providing ample space for apps, files, and media. The 4805 mAh battery supports 67W fast charging, ensuring quick power-ups and all-day battery life, making it ideal for on-the-go users. The phone is equipped with a Hasselblad camera system, delivering professional-grade photography. The setup includes advanced sensors for high-quality images, enhanced low-light performance, and ultra-wide and telephoto options for versatility. Hasselblad's color tuning ensures natural, vibrant shots, while AI enhancements refine the overall photography experience. The OnePlus Open is factory unlocked and optimized for US carriers, providing excellent connectivity options. It runs on OnePlus's Oxygen OS, based on Android, for a clean and customizable user experience. Overall, the OnePlus Open combines cutting-edge hardware, premium design, and advanced camera capabilities, making it a top choice for those seeking a high-performance foldable smartphone. With its robust battery, lightning-fast charging, and Hasselblad-enhanced photography, it offers an exceptional balance of innovation and practicality. Number 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a cutting-edge foldable Android smartphone designed to deliver versatility, productivity, and advanced AI-powered features. Its silver shadow finish gives it a premium and sophisticated look, while the foldable design offers a large, immersive display for multitasking, gaming, and media consumption. The phone comes with 256 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, photos, and videos. Its 2024 model integrates the latest technology, ensuring top-tier performance and reliability. As a factory-unlocked device, it is compatible with major US carriers, offering flexibility and connectivity options. The AI-powered features set the Galaxy Z Fold 6 apart. The circle-to-search function streamlines navigation, while the hands-free live interpreter provides real-time translation for seamless communication in multiple languages. The phone also includes AI photo editing tools, allowing users to enhance images with ease, whether adjusting colors, removing imperfections, or adding creative effects. Designed for multitasking, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 allows users to run multiple apps side by side on its expansive foldable screen, boosting productivity and convenience. The phone also supports Samsung's S Pen for precise input, making it ideal for note-taking and creative tasks. The device is covered by a 1-year US manufacturer warranty, ensuring peace of mind. Its durable build and advanced hinge mechanism ensure longevity, while improvements in foldable screen technology offer a seamless viewing experience with reduced creases. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a premium smartphone that combines a foldable design, AI-driven functionality, and robust performance. With its innovative features, large screen, and sleek design, it's an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile, high-tech mobile experience. Number 5. The Motorola Razr, Spritz Orange, is a stylish and modern unlocked foldable smartphone designed for US carriers, offering innovation and practicality in a compact form factor. It features a clamshell foldable design with a durable hinge, combining retro flair with modern technology for a unique mobile experience. The device boasts an 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage configuration, providing smooth multitasking and ample space for apps, photos, and files. Powered by a capable processor, it ensures reliable performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and streaming. The 6.9-inch main AMOLED display offers vibrant colors and a fluid experience with a high refresh rate, making it ideal for browsing, video playback, and gaming. When folded, the external display provides quick access to notifications, calls, and essential apps without needing to open the phone, enhancing convenience. The phone features a 50MP primary camera with advanced photography capabilities, ensuring detailed and sharp photos even in low-light conditions. The secondary ultra-wide lens adds versatility for capturing landscapes or group shots, while the front camera is optimized for high-quality selfies and video calls. The standout Spritz orange color gives the phone a bold and vibrant appearance, perfect for users seeking a device that reflects their style. Its compact folded size enhances portability, fitting easily into pockets and bags. The Motorola Razr runs a near-stock Android experience, offering a clean, intuitive interface with minimal bloatware. As an unlocked device, it is compatible with most major US carriers, providing flexibility and ease of use. Overall, The Motorola Razr in Spritz Orange is a versatile and stylish smartphone that combines a foldable design, reliable performance, and a unique aesthetic, making it a great choice for users who value innovation and portability.